Ladies and gentlemen, American Jury and Bulldog Nation, I would like to explain to you about judicial bias. Now, this comes up a lot, and unfortunately, there's not a lot that can be done which should change. Now, there is a difference. This isn't the process. I'm just explaining to you humanity. There is a difference between a judge having a little bit of like or dislike for somebody and being able to set that aside and rule fairly and impartially versus they really, really hate somebody and they're not going to set anything aside. We can all agree the differences. You know, whether it's a coach, whether it's a principal, teacher, we've all been involved in that. We've all encountered people that, they might really care for us, but we're not going to pay the price for that. But then there's times when we know they don't like it. In the latter situation, unfortunately, judges will not voluntarily step aside, and then they even fight when you're trying to get them removed. And then it's hard to get them removed. And the reason why that's so wrong is in 99.9% of the cases, there's another judge that can handle that matter. The way you get rid of a judge is you file an affidavit of disqualification. This applies in Ohio and Kentucky and most states. An affidavit of disqualification, which is heard by the Chief Justice of the state Supreme Court. I can tell you that usually if that judge says they can be fair and impartial, they won't kick them off. It's hard to get a judge removed from a case, and it shouldn't be as hard as it is. It's wrong. But anyway, can you imagine how scary, and I've been there, how scary it is to be standing in front of a judge that you know hates your guts? It's not a very good feeling. I did that with Judge Mark the Reich Schweikert in the Durrani litigation. And rather than cower, cry, and beg, I called him evil to his face. And then I got 15 days in Hamilton County Justice Center. I served 8. I got street cred, though. Or prison cred, that is. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. If there's ever a situation where you think a judge is biased, send me information. I'll see what I can do. Thanks.